There is one truck coming towards us, or no? No. Thank God, no. Holy crap! I hate this. It's rolling. Hi there.
Hello.
Why
What's
are
up?
we here today?
Yeah, here to try some features on this Tesla Model Y. I'm leaving my car over here and I'm gonna use my Tesla app to call my car to the someone. Yes. Let's get it started.
Okay, people. I'm inside a Tesla Model Y on the back seat. There is no driver, and look at this car. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Jeez, it's acting crazy for now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You can see it's a car right there. Isn't this crazy? He's right there.
We are testing out the summon features in Tesla Model Y today. As you can see, it's self-driving even without driver. To get these features, you have to pay extra whenever you order your car, but you can even subscribe it monthly if you want to use it for just a month. I think you have to pay 12,000 extra to add these features forever, and you have to pay $199 plus tax to get it monthly subscription. So yeah, I just subscribed for 1 month and I just want to try these features. So it was nice, but you know, in daily life I would not use it. So but this features is very cool, and yeah, I like how it performs, but I think the parking and the way it took, it's kind of off. But whenever there are more vehicles, I think it's gonna work properly, so stay alert.
Earlier, what he did was just control the car, but now he's gonna call this car to him. They got this come to me option, and we're gonna check that out right now. Meanwhile, he's gonna fly his drone too. I hope everything goes well. Just don't kill me, okay?
Yeah.
Don't kill me. Alright, this is take 3. And so car, he's calling his car to him. I hope everything goes well. Please, Tesla, don't kill me or get into any accident. Amen. Oh, this is cool. This car is following the car right there. Uh-oh. There is one truck coming towards us, or no? No. Thank God, no. Holy crap! I hate this thing. Get me out of this Tesla! I hate it already. I don't like this option. Oh my gosh, he's gonna kill me today. Tesla is confused. Come on. Why do I have to break it like that?
Look at it's parking. That's good.